you doing, Ernie?
Say cake?
No.
Las cosas.
What'd you make, Ernie?
This? I made these sandwiches, but I made them.
Which ones?
Huh?
Which ones?
Want to try it? Try it. También les hicieron. No more place. A lot of places people.
The students, as you can see, have worked very, very hard on their cakes and their luncheon presentation. So how about a big round of applause? All of you here on behalf of the Mayor's Office, Chicago Board of Education, and Taylor Culinary School. The community organization that are here. Now I'm going to go up. It was rough, but in fourth place. Yes, Mr. Shrek, Mayor. A visit to China. Between second and first place. And I'm going to tell you very strongly that I discussed this with all the chefs and the newspaper and the judges, and it was only a matter of 1 point. And because of that, we have called it an ultimate tie for first place.
Pues no ganaron por un punto, empata a todos.